this is our fire.
Is it on?
It's on.
Okay. Fire escape engineers inspect the summary video. So we're here in Oakland. This is a wood structure, wood fire escape, and we've looked at it. The fire escape is in fair to poor condition, but it's in fair condition now. A lot of it's just some standard stuff. Nails are popping, screws are popping, the joints are popping, and so a lot of this wood is loose. As we go further down, it's already loose. So we need to get in here with reinforcement. We really can't load test this fire escape because it's hard to load test wooden fire escapes. It's very dangerous. So we'd rather have it reinforced with metal plate, metal steel, and basically get another 5 to 10 years. This one can easily get another 10 years. I highly recommend you put a composite piece of wood up here or create a shelving thing up here. But she's already through bolted, so let's go down. But a lot of this is just simple loose screws, loose nails. You know, cracking is starting to happen, but this fire escape is not that bad. It's a wood structure, but I was told it was built in '98. She does need a tune-up. You need to clean up all the debris, silicone shut connections, especially where the joints are, because this is what you're going to get. You know, as she starts to shake, the only thing left here is because the wood is rotten in certain areas. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to get that close. Zoom back out. Okay. You know, you can put little clamps here and screw this way, screw this way. The problem is that a lot of these are 2 to 3 inches are rotted on the ends of these because they were cut and never treated properly. But as you can see, you know, a lot of the wood is loose. A lot of the wood is loose here. Okay, and then you got to silicone shut these, and then then I would cover it. Don't bring nails back into this. You got to bring in screws, 4-inch screws, so you can get into the meat of things. But a lot of times when you join this, you need a plate that basically picks up either a corner plate or a flat plate that basically picks up both ends. And whenever possible, silicone shut it. I would put another stain on this. It hasn't had a stain in many years. Whenever you have wood, you know, either seal some of this wood or replace some of these that are fully cracked so that these don't give way. There's some wood here that was on the side. It's rotted. We kicked it away already. Okay, you've got some structural cracking that's happening here. And sometimes it could be as simple as putting in another through bolt here with a carriage bolt, you know, and create a little sandwich just so you can buy more years. The fire escape is properly bolted, so these carriage bolts all the way through is a lot better construction than a lot of guys just pound nails into these things. But this goes all the way through. This is what's keeping this thing from tweaking and torquing in too many directions. But she does need a tune-up in that to avoid the load test. And again, very few people load test wood fire escapes. What you want to do is you want to get in here and you want to seal this up with silicone. Use deckmate screws, which are the best, and then use a lot of steel reinforcement straps to basically butt this thing up so she's a lot tighter. Okay. And you've got, as we go down, you know, these are all going. This is all going. You know, so this is what needs to get screwed, not nailed. You start nailing this, it becomes a problem. And you're just going to get a lot of this wiggle out of these once you start doing this. And I would put another stain on this. It's not going to hurt if you put another stain. I would get some of that composite on top of it. You're going to eliminate a lot of the, you know, splinters as you come in here. As you can see, as you get closer to the areas that's a lot of use, you know what I'm saying? You got the wood in here. This is already, so the rest of now is just going to start following, okay? So again, a good carpenter will come in here and just basically add a major reinforcement. If it's only nails, it's going to be a problem. He has to come in with wood screws. He has to come in with the plates. Silicone shut a lot of this so that the water doesn't get in there and create and eat. Look at all the dirt in here, you know, that just eats any nails that are in there, just eats every single one of them. Any screw that's in there, just a lot of them are put in without galv, without being a deckmate. A lot of these feet, we like to tar the feet a little bit so that, and silicone shutter so that the water doesn't get in underneath there and do its duty. But you know, this is some wood that's been here. Look how bad and rotted it is, but look all the nails that have popped. So see, that's a deckmate right there. So sometimes they'll come in and they'll just pound a nail into it, when in actuality what's really neat here is, you know, the deckmate screws will do a good job, but then an angle up here, and then you just screw it. It'll pick up 3 to 4 inches worth of wood. this is where the side piece was here, and it popped off. And then I think you notice on some of these, they have hangers, and some of them don't have hangers. So you got to get some hangers in here. So this side has no hangers. That back side has no hangers. That there's hangers on the other side, on there. Okay. Anything else that you see down here, Sarah? Looks pretty good. Just need some general cleaning. Whoever the cops is going to be, he's going to get underneath it, reinforce it where it needs to be reinforced. And if you got cracks like that on major structural, then you got to drill through it and then put a carriage bolt and basically, you know, get that taken care of. All right, and I think that's it. Farscape Engineers Inspect the Summary Video, 866-649-0333, 866-649-0333. And there's some, you know, all this stuff is loose. Okay, thank you.
All right.